Quezon National Agricultural School, also known as UNAS.
Here, Kinashans, of course, meron kami security guard na masisipag na sinisecure ang aming safety.
Here, Kinashans, of course, meron kami Quezon National Agricultural Bahay Kubo na project ng mga agricultural students.
Of course, meron kaming function hall where we can celebrate birthdays, birthday parties, and other occasions.
Here, Kinashans, of course, we have a safe pool where you can bond with your friends and celebrating occasions. Guys! Here, Kinashans, of course, we have a floating cottage na pwede mag-relax at fish pond na malinis.
We are Kinashans, of course, meron kaming library.
We are Kinashans, of course, meron kaming food processing center.
We are Kinashans, of course, meron kaming clinic.
We are Kinashans, of course, meron kaming spacious and aesthetic na canteen.